Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video, I want to show you and introduce you a trading platform which is called Bullx. And this trading platform I self now already use for the around last 3 weeks. And you can find it on bullx.io. Currently, this website is in a early access phase, and to get access, you have to get an invitation link. If you want, you can find mine in the video description and in the first comment. And when you click on this link, on this invitation link, you will get forwarded to Telegram. So you have to get Telegram. You have to install Telegram on your mobile phone. And when you click on the invitation link, you can connect your Telegram app with Bullx. In my case, now I'm already connected. And when you open the website, you can either use it on PC or a laptop. In my case, I always use it on PC. I think the overview is a little bit better and everything than on mobile phone, but it depends on you. You can also use it on your mobile phone. Now I'm here on the PC, I'm logged in, and the first thing I have here on the start side are all new coins on the Solana blockchains. We see it here, it's new pairs. It's the second icon here on the left. And you can choose here on the icon, on the chain icon, all the blockchains that you want to see coins from. I have now currently selected Solana, but you can also enable other coins like Ethereum, Binance. And when you click here on Start Trading, you will see here all the coins. These are all from Solana, but there will also be coins from the other blockchains there now. Again, now I deactivated. I just want coins visible here from Solana. In the near future, there will be more blockchains, like for example Ton, but for now there are these 6 blockchains available. And what we see here now on these new pairs are, as the name said, coins that are created the last few seconds or minutes. You see here the creation date. You can also sort all these lists here if you click on top of this. And you see the creation date, you see the market cap, the liquidity, you see the swaps, the buy and sells, you see the volume of the coin. And what is very, very useful and helpful is the audit report, where you have 4 different options. And in the best case, all 4 are green marked, means there is a lower chance that this is a scam or a rug pull. What is not so good is if there is something red marked. And the 4 different options are, in this case, is the mint disabled? When it's green means yes, it is disabled. Is it possible to freeze something on the coin? This is also already disabled, means green, it's checked, perfect. Then this means when it's green, more than the half of the liquidity pool is burned. So this is also checked, it's green. And the last one is how many percentage are the top 10 holders holding of the supply of this coin. In this case, it's green, it's checked, means the top 10 holders hold less than 15% of the supply of the coin. We have a quick buy function where we can set, for example, an amount like $10, $50, whatever. And with one click, then we can buy it. But now I haven't set it. And another very useful option on the whole website are the filter possibilities. So on the right edge, you have in every area the possibility to filter. And here you can set different options on or off. And you have here all the filter possibilities. For example, I want to see just new coins, new pairs with at least a market cap of 10,000. Then I give it here, and you see all these coins that are now here shown have minimum of market cap of 10,000. And you can also set, for example, just a maximum, let's say a maximum of 30,000 market cap. And it just take a few seconds, and you see all these coins now have a maximum of 30,000 market cap and not more. So this is very, very useful with this filter if you want to search and scout for new coins. Yeah, so this is the new pair section. The next section, and I think this is the most useful, helpful section. I have currently not seen or found any other website that have this function, and this is the Pump Vision tool. And here on the Pump Vision tool, we see all new coins that are created from Pump Fun, or from Dex Screener's Moonshot option. And I think most of you already know the website pump.fun. If not, it's a website. You can go there on pump.fun, and everyone can create a new coin here on the Solana blockchain. You just click here on Start New Coin. Then you give a name, a ticker, description, and then you create the coin. It costs around, you need to connect your wallet, and it costs around 0.02 Solana. So just a few bucks, and in a half a minute, you have your own coin created. And all the coins you see here now on the start side of Pump Fun, which are highlighted, are new created coins. I have read an article in the last days, and there was written it's around 60,000 coins that are created every day, and just a very, very small percentage, like 0.0 something, get graduated and to published to DEX like Radium. So this is really wild, wild west to invest here. And for this, we have a Pump Vision to better sort and filter all these new coins from Pump Fun and from Moonshot. And we have here three different waves. It's the first wave, it's the second wave, and the third wave. And in the first wave, you see it here, are all the new creations, so new coins that are created, in this case, before a few seconds. You see here the date, the creation date. And you also see here the logo of the coin. And here you see these are all Pump Fun coins. Means these coins have been created on the Pump Fun website. And you also see mostly are the Pump Fun coins, but you can also shown here Moonshot coins. You can filter here. Let's go here, and for example, if we deactivate Pump Fun, so we filter now, we see just Moonshot tokens. You see this icon here, this small icon means all these coins are being created on Dex Screener in the Moonshot section. I do it now back to the Pump Fun. So we want both coins shown here, Pump Fun tokens and also Moonshot tokens. And the good thing is we have a lot more filter options here available. So let's say we want to show just coins with at least 10 holders and a market cap of also at least $10,000. Then we click on apply, and now take a few seconds, and now all the coins that are shown here have at least 10 holders. You see it here, the holders, and a market cap of minimum $10,000. And also we already have a lot of other options and informations here available. So the logo, we have the name, we see the top 10 holders, we see how much the dev holds, and we see the percentage held by insiders. We have here the link to Pump Fun, the link to X, link to website and Telegram already. And when we are looking just on Pump Fun or Moonshot, we have much less information here. So we always have to click on it and to get more information, but at least we will not have that much information as we have already here on the first look on Pump Vision. And so this is the first wave, new created coins. The second wave in the middle are coins that have been created a little bit longer ago, let's say a few minutes, and have also already more market cap. You see here the market cap is already around 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. So they are in a more advanced phase or in a higher phase to get graduated. So they are in the middle, not in the beginning, but in the middle phase. And this is the second wave. And the third wave, the last wave, are the coins that have been shortly, a few minutes before, have been graduated already, and there are live on DEX, on Radium. And these are all these coins. So this is the third wave. Yeah, and overall, these are the three waves. And you can use this for scouting for coins. And it's much, much better and higher chance to get profitable coins as when you just use it on Pump Fun or Moonshot website. So this is the pump vision tool, the pump vision sector. Now we go ahead to the next useful area, which is this one. It's the token explorer, and here you can generally search for every coin that you have in mind. In this case, on the Solana blockchain. You have here now an overview. So these are all trending coins. You can sort it to gainers. So now you have all the coins that are gainers in the last time. Now here you have the losers, and recent are the coins that are recently added. So these are the few options. And the good thing is that you again have here a filter for all possible options. Like you can search or show just coins with a market cap of this and that, or buy and sells, liquidity, and you can set different markers here, and a lot of filter options. So this is the token explorer. I now go on a coin to show you the chart and the trading options that you have. Let's choose just one coin from here, like this one. Looks good, Kutsuta. And when you click on a coin, firstly, you have here the price, the market cap, and all this information. You have a chart where you can set different indicators, as on also on other charts on other trading websites. And the most important thing and the best thing is I have tested it already with a few other charts, like on Dex Screener or also on other websites. The chart here on Bullx is always around at least minimum 3 to 5 seconds faster as on all other trading platforms. And on speed is everything when you trade, and when it's just a few seconds faster, that can change a lot in the trading. And for now, currently, this is the fastest chart that I have seen, and this is really awesome. You have here the orders, you have here the trades that have been made on this coin, the current holders. You also see here how many holders are the top 10, in this case 25%, which is a lot, I think. The top 49 wallet holders hold 28%, and all the others 47%. Usually you have here also social media icons. Maybe I can show you here. These are my positions currently, and I'm just in these 3 coins here. And you see here on Fork. First thing is, when you click here, you have the blockchain link to SoulScan. You have a link to Pump Vision directly. So this was a coin that was also created on the pump.fun. Then you have here the link to X. So here is the pump.fun, where it was created in the past, the coin. Here you have the X link. And the last one here in this case is Telegram group. So you have all these informations here. Then you can hide or show your own trades. And what also is very useful is the bubble map. Some maybe already know it. It's a known website usually, but here you have integrated the options. It opens in a new window, and here you can see how are the wallets of the developers, of the devs or insiders connected. And here in this case, you see just 2 bubbles that are connected. So this looks very good. You also have a wallet list here of how many percent the top holders hold in this case. And the more bubbles here would have been in color and connected, means that it's likely that there are scams, that they have split it to a lot of wallets, and then they can sell most of the supply, means it's a scam. And this you can check on this bubble map here. So it's also a kind of rug pull detection. So it's always useful to use. And then you can also show and hide your own trades. And yes, so this is a chart. Top traders, you can see all the top traders, how many they bought, how many they sold, and everything. Own positions, my own coins, where I have positions currently, and the trading history you see here. And to the right side, you can buy and sell the coin. You see here now, this is my wallet. I have not much Solana on it. It's 0.29 Solana. and then you can buy here this coin or sell this coin. You also have different options and presets that you can set for the gas fees. So the higher you set, the faster you can buy and sell your coin. And you can also set auto sell. For example, in this case, I can now set I want to sell, for example, 10% of this coin. When this coin, let's say it's a limit order, and when it's now rise above 50% from where it is now, you see we are currently here, and when it gains 50%, then I can set, for example, it sell 10% of my coins, or also I can sell everything 100%. And when the price reaches this mark here, then it will automatically sell 100% of the coin. You can also set a buy limit order. So this is very, very useful. And yeah, so this is the chart and the trading sector. Then the next one here is the active token orders. I currently have no active token orders. So if I would have set a buy or a sell limit order, you would see all this here in a list. You can also cancel it, so it's not longer available. So you have this here in this list. The next step here is portfolio. Here you see the portfolio of all your current coins that you hold. You can also, now I have just Solana, here you have the coins. And the last one is the wallet manager. So here you can set your different wallets for different blockchains. You can set here a new wallet. Here you see the withdraw wallets where you want, if you want to withdraw, here you can add funds, withdraw, etc. One very important information, if you create a new wallet on the beginning, then you will have here, I can show you, I make a new wallet here now. And you see here, this is the new one. This is the old one, the primary one. And when you have a new one, you have here this yellow icon that you can click here. It means that you can export the private key for this wallet, but you can also you can just do this one time on the beginning. You can download it just one time, and this is also just available, I think, for around 24 hours, and then it will disappear here and will not be longer available. So if you want the private key later after this, or after you already have exported it one time, you have to create a new wallet. Then you have the function again to get the private key. In this case, I already have it, or I've also already exported my private key. So, which means when the website goes offline, or I don't know, it's not available, I still have all my coins and funds available. For example, in the Phantom wallet when I import this private key. So in this case, I archive it now back to the archive. I don't need it, and yeah, so this is the wallet sector. In generally, these are the most important things, all the options and features of this website. We have here also, you have the possibility to get an airdrop if you want. So the more you use the website, the more you trade on the website, you will get an airdrop in the near future, what I have heard. Yeah, and you also have settings, etc. If you have any questions, you will find a Telegram group, a link to the Telegram group in the video description. Just join and ask. We will help you. And also, if you need the invitation link, you find it in the description in the first comment. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was useful and helpful for you. And see you in the next video. Ciao.